Alright, here we are. I got my 360-degree camera on, and as you can see, everything is insulated. Got the electrical all hooked up, the air conditioning's running. You can use your mouse and you can actually drag the picture and it will take you to be able to look around. Again, drywall is going to get delivered tomorrow, and then we'll get our everything done. I'm really hoping to get this thing completed by the end of the month. Today's the 19th of February, so 2018, and it's with the delays that I've had, I'm surprised I'm as far as I am. But thank you and have a cha-ching day.